Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I've kind of been experimenting with a lot of hairstyles lately and okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I'm here with you for another tutorial. It's been a few weeks. I've done feet and braids. I've been wearing my hair in twists, and I actually really am ready to just do a protective hairstyle, something that's really my go-to. And so today I'm just really here to kind of walk you guys through my process for getting box braids. So box braids is usually my go-to style. I like to do it because I can refresh the front of my hair. I can throw them up if I'm working out into a bun. If I'm going outside, I could also make it look very nice as well. I also like it because my hair will look more presentable than just the big jumbo twist that I've been doing as of late. The hair that I will be using will be the Spetra pre-stretched braiding hair, similar to what I've used in my feet and braids. So I happen to have a lot of that hair left over, so I did use a bit the last time for my feet and braids. It does come in a package like this. So if you could see, it has like a really big girl on the cover. It's 3 separate sections of hair, and then they're already pre-stretched. So I think like that I really like to use this hair. I find that it's very easy to manipulate. They come in bundles like this. So I'm just going to be using this in the color 2. So I hope you enjoyed. Please stay tuned, and if you do like this video, please hit the like button, and I hope that you plan to subscribe as well. Thank you. thank you so much for tuning in today. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do like it, please hit the like button, and I hope that you subscribe as well. And I hope that you join me next time, so that way you can keep up with any videos or tutorials that I have coming out next. Thanks and take care. Until next time, bye.